My name is Allie Dossman, and I am a first-year law student at TU.
My name is Matt George. I started law school just this last January, so I'm part of the Half-L Spring Start program.
My name is Jennifer Coronado. Today I am volunteering as an interpreter.
I'm actually at law school right now, studying to be an immigration lawyer, and this is something I've wanted to do for a long time. I lived overseas for a couple of years, and I know the burden and the hardship of trying to figure out the legal system. It's been really interesting to hear kind of what they're going through and see that side of it, because I feel like a lot of the media and a lot of what you see is the American side of it, and very rarely do you get to hear from people who are actually going through it. I really wanted to be able to help with those people and be able to be a person that can set them on a path that they're wanting to go on. It's also been entangled and mixed in with a lot of fear and confusion, especially these past few months. There's been a lot of changes in immigration policy and immigration law. I always thought immigration law was so kind of concrete of you do this and this and this, but there's so many other avenues, so many other ways of getting a green card or getting citizenship.
So today we are returning some phone calls from people who are seeking some sort of immigration relief. There are a variety of possible cases that the legal students might take on and work on. I am volunteering because I love the Boesche Legal Clinic. I worked here briefly when I was in undergrad as an interpreter, and I learned a lot of what I know now about interpreting, especially in sensitive areas such as immigration. If they do qualify for this type of relief, we get them the help that they need, and at the same time we're just letting them know what their rights are right now and the immigration climate that we have going on. People are scared, people don't know what's going on, so just letting them know that you do have rights, and these are your options.
Well, this week I'm volunteering with the Boesche Legal Clinic. They've gotten a lot of phone calls asking about immigration issues, and so what I'm doing is I'm part of a few students that volunteered their spring break to come in and just return some of those phone calls and try and figure out where we can direct people if Boesche Legal Clinic is able to take their case, or if we need to refer them to somebody else. As a student, you know, we're not, especially as a half-L, we're not able to give direct legal advice, but you know, we are able to go through some questions to kind of triage their situation. There's a lot of different stories, but kind of the common theme really is just a concern. There's a lot of uncertainty with the new administration on where somebody who's doesn't have a green card, might not be documented, stands, whether or not ICE might show up on their doorstep. So one of the great things about TU is the Career Services Office in the Boesche Legal Clinic, and just the way that it's so networked into the community here in Tulsa. You know, when in the corporate world am I going to get a chance to work with somebody who needs help so much? If I have help, I ought to be giving it.